Welcome to the new R&D center of RHI Magnesita at Bhiwadi plant in India. At RHI Magnesita, our customer remains at the core of everything we do. The center is no different. The new local R&D facility would help us serve our customers better than ever. The journey of setting this up began in November 2019. Our local team and global experts collaborated intensively to develop a blueprint of a world-class R&D facility. The project team went through 2 COVID waves during the project execution.
The test center is equipped with modern equipment which are best in class and has planned to continuously upgrade its facility going forward within a year or so. As you know, we are using various natural and synthetic raw materials in our manufacturing process. The new facility will help us to characterize the best and select the available raw materials with us worldwide, and we can give a consistent and better quality products to our user industry with our help of the R&D center.
With this new R&D center in India, we can investigate all sort of products and raw materials in our local R&D center in India, and we can reach to the customers with our best product with the fastest time.
Now we have highly skilled manpower and world-class equipment to provide better solution to the customer.
These equipment will increase our local capabilities in technical analysis. We have enhanced local raw material analyzing capabilities by introduction of the state-of-the-art XRF for chemical analysis. We have LICO for doing carbon and sulfur analysis. This world-class center is also equipped with a new sympathetic particle size analyzer with measuring range of 0.1 micron. The center is equipped with Nikon microscope for product microstructure analysis.
The R&D center would prioritize indigenous raw material supply development and developing new products which are more of environmental friendly type. The indigenous raw material supply development will help us reduce over dependency of raw materials from other countries, and developing new products which are environmental friendly will use more of secondary raw materials in our system, and we develop process in such a way we eliminate some firing process in our system which will reduce the carbon footprint, and this is one of our organizational goals.
This is a world-class facility that would work closely with our global R&D network. So it would enable us to make global expertise available locally. As we progress, we want to grow this facility as center of excellence for the new products and raw material needs of the market.